is the Found Physics Museum. I'm here with Will Horwitz Sculpture Spaces near the Madison Avenue entrance to the concourse, or basically right next to it. And the artist says that sculpture isn't about the object, it's about the space around the object. So I'm going to walk around the sculpture, and certainly space is a physics concept. It appears in many different fields of thought, but it's certainly relevant to physics. I'm thinking, though, after looking at this from the front, about the movie The Terminator. This reminds me of a television set, and obviously there's not a program inside, so it reminds me of the television set in The Terminator that the children were watching, and it turned out to have a fire built inside, denoting the end of the civilization we enjoy today due to artificial intelligence and autonomous weapons. And there are semi-autonomous weapons today, and artificial intelligence is certainly being developed. So people rightly worry about where that could lead. But there's another possible danger, not related to the movie The Terminator, but related to the movie The Wizard of Oz. Max Tegmark, a distinguished physicist from MIT, who talks about the dangers of artificial intelligence and also the promise of it, has remarked that artificial intelligence could solve the problem of poverty. Well, there are many ways to solve the problem of poverty, and they depend on our values. The thing is, artificial intelligence is being developed to conform to a certain set of values. It's called alignment. The people developing it are trying to align it with their values, or what they imagine are the values of, the majority of people in certain societies. Certainly not with the values of everyone, because different groups of people have conflicting values. And so there's a danger that once the artificial intelligence reaches a certain stage of development, the technologists will say, aha, it's perfected now, you really should do what it says because it's much smarter than you are, and you ought to listen to it. Well, the thing is, it will have been raised like a child by the people who are wild about technology, and they don't represent everyone when it comes to values. So with artificial intelligence, please keep your hand on your wallet and your wits about you, and don't believe that you should necessarily follow what it eventually will start telling people to do. So it's Found Physics.